Ya llega Cometa Fest, un increíble festival donde decides tu futuro.
Hello everybody right there, this is your friend JP in another video, and as you watched at the beginning, it's going to be about Cometa Fest, which is a pretty huge event taking place here in Lima on October 28th. And this event is especially for secondary level students. So if you are one of them, please watch it till the end, because I'm gonna walk you through the website and also how you can participate in it. So this is the website Cometa Fest for the awesome event, okay? And this is especially for people that are in secondary level, third, fourth, and fifth graders. And you can actually go to one of these ones, which is the in-person event in el Parque de la Exposición, Avenida 28 de Julio here in Lima for sure, or the virtual one right there. Both are happening on the same day, 28th of October. Okay, so going down, you can see that you can also see the agenda for both events, you know, from 10:30 to 6:30, and oh, that's happening right there. And the same goes for the virtual one. Now, going down, you can see who's gonna be there, all the people, okay, that are guests are gonna present something, are gonna do something, are gonna talk to us about something. So here you can check them all out. That's fantastic. Now, if you go down, you can see all these different universities. Okay, maybe you are interested in one of them. Okay, some of them are public universities and the others, well, are not. But you know that these universities are pretty, you know, at the topest rank here in Peru. The only thing you need to do is go to this, you know, Regístrame. You click on it and then you can choose between one of them. Okay, so don't forget to do it, please, because they're gonna ask you before you go if you actually did it, because they're gonna send you your entrance ticket for the event. So if you are still wondering if whether you should participate in Cometa Fest or not, well, let me tell you that there are pretty interesting workshops and pretty interesting presentation that might catch your attention. Like perhaps you will find the scholarship you are looking for, or the Cometa scholarship. Probably if you haven't heard of it, it's one of the pretty popular ones that actually many high school students are seeking to get.
Que tu papá nos espera en su nave espacial.
Sueña en grande. Ese futuro que imaginas existe. Averigua cómo postular en www.becacometa.com y empieza el camino de tu carrera en una de las universidades más importantes del mundo. Beca Cometa, para volar más alto.
I know most of you are watching this video on October 2023, so I'm gonna drop the link of Cometa Fest down in the description for you to enroll, register, and get, you know, the free pass entrance. So what are you waiting for? Go and talk to your mom or dad, your tutor, your friend, anyone, so you can both can go to this amazing event. But if that's not the case, and probably you're watching this video after October, no problem, because you can also get access to Cometa Fest next year. There are always chances for you to do it.